2012 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power sunroof, navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.